Hello, and welcome back to another exciting video on Europe in Detail. Today, we're stepping into a magical blend of medieval towers, digital wizardry, cozy cafes, and Baltic sea breezes. Welcome to Tallinn, the captivating capital of Estonia. Get ready for a virtual journey as we uncover 59 fascinating facts about this gem. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Tallinn's Old Town is one of Europe's best-preserved medieval cities. Think cobbled lanes, Gothic spires, and walls so storybook they look like they were built for a Disney set. Number 2. Tallinn is a digital pioneer. It's the world's first country to offer e-residency, allowing anyone to start a business in Estonia without even living there. Number 3. The city's Freedom Square is both a modern gathering place and a historic memory zone, marked by a glowing glass cross honoring those who died for Estonia's independence. Number 4. Ever tried kihnu? It's a local favorite. Black rye bread topped with butter, pickled sprats, egg, and green onion. Salty, rich, and surprisingly addictive. Number 5. Pick Street in Old Town is lined with old merchant houses, some of which have secret symbols on the doors indicating what was sold there, from salt to armor. Number 6. The towering Alexander Nevsky Cathedral dominates Toompea Hill with its onion domes and Orthodox grandeur, a photogenic piece of Russian heritage. Number 7. Tallinn's Old Town has 2 levels. The upper part, Toompea, was home to nobles and rulers, while the lower town belonged to merchants and craftsmen. It's like walking between 2 different centuries. Number 8. The city's name means Danish town, TALLINN, a nod to when Denmark ruled the area back in the 13th century. Number 9. Want a taste of medieval life? Visit Old Hansa, a candlelit restaurant where staff wear robes and the menu includes bear sausage and honey beer. Number 10. In winter, the city transforms into a snow globe dream with twinkling lights, frozen rooftops, and cozy cafes full of mulled wine. Number 11. The TV tower, built for the 1980 Moscow Olympics, now has a skywalk on its 170-meter-high ledge, not for the faint-hearted. Number 12. The Kalamaja district was once a fisherman's village. Today, it's Tallinn's hipster heart, full of colorful wooden houses, craft beer bars, and vintage boutiques. Number 13. Tallinn's harbor connects it to Finland, Sweden, and beyond. A ferry to Helsinki takes just 2 hours, a perfect day trip. Number 14. Tallinn's Christmas market is magical, with wooden huts, warm glogi, handmade gifts, and a tree tradition that dates back to 1441, probably the world's first. Number 15. Locals love kohuke, a sweet curd snack dipped in chocolate. Found in every supermarket, it's an Estonian childhood classic. Number 16. The Linnahall, a massive Soviet concrete amphitheater by the sea, is one of Tallinn's most iconic and eerie brutalist structures. Number 17. Tallinn is crazy about saunas. Many apartments have one, and the seaside district of Pirita has public ones with views of the Baltic. Number 18. Beneath the cobblestones lies a labyrinth of 17th-century tunnels, used as World War II bomb shelters, open to curious explorers in 2010. Number 19. Don't miss Viru Street, the gateway to the Old Town, lined with flower stalls, cozy cafes, and picture-perfect medieval gates. Number 20. Tallinn's population is about 450,000, but it punches way above its weight with its tech, talent, and cultural exports. Number 21. Repetik is one of the oldest continuously operating pharmacies in the world, open since the 1400s, and it once sold mummy powder. Number 22. Tallinn's skyline is dotted with church spires, once used as navigational markers for ships sailing into the harbor. Number 23. Locals love herring with sour cream and boiled potatoes, a Baltic classic that's both humble and hearty. Number 24. Meet Old Thomas, the city's copper weather vane guard. Dating back to 1530, Legend says he was a boy who became a city guard, and children believed he watched them from above, rewarding good behavior. Number 25. Tallinn has free public transport for residents. Yep, locals can ride trams and buses all over the city for €0. It's one of Europe's most forward-thinking social policies. Number 26. Want a panoramic view? Climb St. Olaf's Church Tower, once Europe's tallest building in the 16th century. Number 27. Estonia was under Soviet occupation until 1991, and the Museum of Occupations tells the story with raw emotion and powerful artifacts. Number 28. Estonians celebrate jaanapäev, the midsummer solstice, with bonfires, sauna, and dancing until sunrise, and Tallinn goes all out. Number 29. Estonian is one of Europe's most unique languages, closely related to Finnish but totally unrelated to most others. Number 30. Tallinn's Seaplane Harbor Museum is a family favorite, featuring submarines, icebreakers, and even a full-sized seaplane inside a giant hangar. Number 31. Try leivasoup, a sweet bread soup made with black bread, raisins, and cinnamon. Sounds weird? Tastes like dessert heaven. Number 32. Kihnu, yep, that's the real name, is a medieval cannon tower whose name means peek in the kitchen, because guards could literally see down into townspeople's homes. Number 33. Pirita Beach is the city's summer playground. Sunbathing, sailing, and even windsurfing just minutes from the Old Town. Number 34. Don't be surprised if locals seem quiet. Estonians are famously reserved, but deeply kind once you get to know them. Number 35. Tallinn's city walls are over 2 kilometers long, and you can walk on parts of them, ducking through towers that once guarded against invaders with boiling tar and arrows. Number 36. Estonia's flat tax system and low red tape have made Tallinn a startup paradise. Skype, Wise, and Bolt all launched here. Number 37. Want to shop local? Head to Balti Jaama Market, a multi-level maze of farmers' stalls, street food, antiques, and hip cafes. Number 38. The city's street signs are often bilingual, Estonian and Russian, due to a large Russian-speaking minority. Number 39. Tallinn was bombed heavily in World War II, but much of the Old Town miraculously survived, now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 40. Estonian design is minimalist, nature-inspired, and rising fast. Pick up ceramics, wool goods, or Nordic chic fashion in boutiques across the city. Number 41. Fancy a Viking vibe? Tallinn's Danish King's Garden is said to be where the Dannebrog, the world's oldest flag, fell from the sky in 1219. Number 42. Grab a cup of kamajuk, a fermented drink made from roasted barley and rye. Slightly fizzy, slightly tangy, totally traditional. Number 43. Tallinn was the European Capital of Culture in 2011, and it shows in its buzzing art scene, pop-up galleries, and festivals throughout the year. Number 44. Estonia ranks among the top countries for press freedom and digital literacy. Tallinn is raising one of Europe's most educated young generations. Number 45. You can get married at the top of Toompea Castle, where the Estonian Parliament now sits. Government and romance in one view. Number 46. Locals celebrate Vana Tallinn, a sweet spiced liqueur that tastes like dessert with a kick. It's great in cocktails or over ice cream. Number 47. The Estonian Song Festival, held every 5 years, features over 30,000 singers performing together, and it's recognized by UNESCO. Number 48. The city's tech-forward government lets citizens vote online, access all public services digitally, and even file taxes in under 5 minutes. Number 49. Estonia is the most forest-covered country in Europe, and even in Tallinn, nature feels just a few steps away. Number 50. You can rent a hot tub on a boat and cruise Tallinn's harbor while sipping bubbly and watching the skyline glide by. Number 51. Estonians are obsessed with salmiakki, salty black licorice. You've been warned. Number 52. Tallinn is a favorite stop for digital nomads thanks to its co-working spaces, great coffee, and lightning-speed internet. Number 53. Tallinn University is one of the Baltic region's top schools, offering degrees in film, politics, and digital humanities. Number 54. Locals love their marzipan, and at the Kalev chocolate shop, you can watch artists hand-paint marzipan figures just like in the Middle Ages. Number 55. The Viru Hotel once had a secret KGB spy room on the top floor, now a museum showing how the Soviets watched foreign visitors. Number 56. Estonians are big fans of kefir, a fermented milk drink they swear by for gut health and hangovers. Number 57. Estonia has zero national debt. Yes, really. Tallinn's economy is lean, efficient, and proudly independent. Number 58. Estonians invented the Skype ringtone, that little chirpy sound, born in Tallinn. Number 59. And last but not least, Tallinn's magic lies in its contrasts. High-tech meets ancient stone, quiet forests meet buzzing nightlife, and past and future walk hand in hand. And that's a wrap. 59 unforgettable facts about the vibrant, soulful Tallinn. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure that you like and share it. And let us know your opinion in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our latest adventures on Europe in Detail. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.